We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, this is your girl Brett over here, Onyx. Today we're going to look at the common causes of paper jams for a Color LaserJet Pro MFP M477. So first you want to make sure that your adjustments for your paper size are correct. And then right here in the front or even on the side, there's these little levels. These are going to be your max level indicators. You want to make sure not to fill the paper over that. Typically what we see, we have a few customers that have put in their new paper just inside their tray, and if you do that and it's not completely aligned, it could cause this to curl, making the paper too tight so the rollers are unable to pick it up. That can cause a jam as well. So what you want to do, you want to take your old paper and your new paper, you want to combine the two, and you want to fan the paper out. When you fan it out, it kind of separates the paper from each other. If there's condensation, sometimes the paper can stick together, making it hard to pick up. So then you align it, stick it in your printer, make sure your levels are correct, and then you can just stick this back in there. You want to make sure to also check your printer specifications and to make sure you are using the qualified type of paper for your printer. If you're in need of supplies or quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.